Hey guys, Andrew from Calvert Sports Cards here. Have a new product that I've never opened before. We've got Prizm Football Draft Picks. We've got one blaster of it that we're gonna rip in today. You get 30 cards, you get one blaster exclusive Purple Wave. Not too sure what to expect with this. Like I said, haven't opened this product before. Honestly, haven't even watched too many videos of it on YouTube. But I was able to find some actually at Walmart. So got lucky with that, was able to pick it up, figured I would test it out, never opened it before. So figured I would just test my luck with it. Got a box in the background. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs. And we'll just crack right into it. So got a Prizm right off the bat here. So it's just like Contenders, it's NFL players in their college uniforms. Dak Prescott, Jerry Jeudy, got Joe Mixon, Prizm. Jamie Newman, rookie, don't really know too much about him, or Joseph Oasi, don't know much about him either. I probably don't know much about majority of the rookies, to be honest. Obviously, I know the big name ones and the quarterbacks and stuff like that, but we got a green or something here. Baker, Kenyon Drake, a green All-Americans, Caleb Fraley from Virginia Tech. Guessing that's an insert. Crusade, Micah Parsons, rookie Prizm. Or not Prizm, sorry, but rookie insert. And Tyler Vaughn's. So this is not a lot of cards, not a lot of packs, so it will be a quicker video. Another green. Alvin Kamara, David Johnson, green Myles Garrett, Kwity Paye, rookie. There we go, that's a good one. All-Americans Justin Fields, rookie card. First round quarterback. Nice. 2 more packs here. Looks like we've got the purple here. All right, let's save that one. Oh, we got a couple more packs. So we'll save the purple for last. I'm sure it will be anticlimactic, but you never know. Another green. Deebo Samuel. Miles Sanders. There's a nice one. Micah Parsons. We just had his insert, but now we have a green parallel of Micah Parsons. Crusade Terrace Marshall Jr., rookie. Another Micah Parsons. So that's 3 and 2 in one pack. This pack is like falling apart. Okay. George Kittle, Russell Wilson, green Will Fuller, Zach Wilson rookie, that's solid. Patrick Jones II. All right. Purple Wave. We'll pull from the back first, I guess. Tyson Campbell, rookie. Dylan Moses, rookie. Chase Claypool, Jared Goff, and the purple rookie, that's good, is Elijah Mitchell. I truthfully don't know anything about him. But there is our blaster exclusive Purple Wave. So I would assume this is probably the best pull with Justin Fields' rookie card. But let me know what your favorite pull was from this pack. We've got a couple more boxes of this, so look for a pack battle of this coming out soon. Yeah, but until then, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. See ya.